Sorry, Yarner, go ahead.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes, I do.
You may lower your hand, Ms. Moore. Attorney Faulkner?
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representative defendant. Your Honor, the plea my client would plead guilty to 1 with 2 being dismissed.
Very well. Ms. Moore, you have ticket number 1827740, the People versus Rochelle, Rochelle, Moore, Moore. On that ticket, ma'am, you're charged with 1 count. It is a misdemeanor for no operator's license. You also have P 833415. On this ticket, ma'am, you have 2 counts. Count 1 is a misdemeanor for no insurance. Count 2 is a misdemeanor for driving without a valid license. All right, Ms. Moore, the people have made an offer to you that if you were to plead to the ticket, the 2018 ticket, 218277430, no operator's license, they would amend, reduce that charge to fail to display. That's the lowest license charge there is. There's a charge, that's a charge that would suggest that you had a driver's license. You just did not have it on you when you were stopped by the police. You can take that charge. The other 2 matters would be dismissed. So you would get a fine of $225. $450 would be dismissed with the other 2 matters that were being dismissed. I mean, the other 2 charges that are being dismissed. Do you want to take advantage of that offer, Ms. Moore, or do you want to set these all for trial?
Of course, I would like to accept that offer.
Okay, I don't know about of course, ma'am, because you know, I couldn't even accept your plea if you're not guilty. That's what I'm going to ask you now, ma'am. Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Pleading guilty because you are guilty.
Yeah.
Pardon me?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So just so you understand why I asked you that question, ma'am, I can't not accept a plea from anybody unless that person is guilty. In other words, when people come out here and say, well, I'm not guilty, I just want to get this over with, I can't accept your plea. This is a court of justice, not a court of justice, a court of law, not a court of convenience. It's just convenient to plead guilty, and I can't accept it. But you are guilty, we can't accept it. Ma'am, on the ticket number 1827740, on the date of November the 1st of 2018, were you driving a motor vehicle in the area of Harper and Newport in the city of Detroit?
Harper and Newport. I'm gonna say yeah, but it sounds like someone used my name, but I'm just gonna take the, accept responsibility for it. But I think someone—
Just tell you that? No, hold on, ma'am. Didn't I just tell you I can't accept your plea if you're not guilty? You just said you think somebody else used your name, which means you would not be guilty, and I can't accept the plea of that. So, well, let me ask you a question, ma'am.
I said that because I don't recall that.
All right. I mean, if you don't recall, that's okay. This was 2018, So, but when you say somebody else may have done it, that's something totally different. Not remembering a specific time or location doesn't mean that you saying you didn't do it. That just means I don't remember exactly that date. So let me ask you a few more questions.
Yes.
Were you so in 2018, you had a car, is that correct, ma'am?
Correct.
Was it a 2007 Ford, something that was silver in color?
Yeah, okay, that was me. Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. So,
sorry.
All right.
That's okay. Done this court thing in a really long time.
Right. Well, yeah, ma'am. What happens if you have a ticket from 2018 and you don't take care of it until 2023? Your memory might be a little lacking on it. So, all right. But you said you did get a ticket. This was your car back in 2018. So, court will accept your plea. And the court will enter a reduced charge or accept a plea of a reduced charge or fail to display. Your fine is $225, ma'am. Can you pay that right away or do you need time?
I need time, if you could, please.
I can, ma'am. That's why I asked. So how much time do you need?
I need about 30 days.
60 days. How about that?
That's great. Thank you so much. That's
Ma'am,
perfect.
60 days from today's date is November the 27th, November the 27th, 2023. That does not mean you wait until 2027, I mean, to November 27th. That means you have until that time to pay it all, which means you can pay it in increments. You can pay a little here, a little there, $10 there, $20 there. I don't care what it looks like, as long as on November the 27th, all of it has been paid, the $225.
Okay. 225 by the 27th.
You can pay, like I said, you can pay $10 tomorrow or whatever. I don't care how you do it, just whatever makes it work for you. Do you know how and where to pay, Miss Moore?
I do know to come down, right? And I can pay in cash to the
You
court.
can do that, ma'am, but you don't have to. There's other ways. You can go on the court website and put your name in and go to where you pay your tickets, and you can pay it online from the comfort of your home. There's something else. Have you seen the ATM? Well, it kind of looks like an ATM machine. They're called DivDat, where people pay their public utilities. They're in many of the stores, like in the Meyer stores and stuff like
Oh
that.
yeah.
Pay in any of those. They take card or cash or card. And
Okay.
you can also download that app on your machine, on your phone or your computer, the DivDap app. So you can just do it from your device. So,
Okay. Thank you,
and
Mr.
of course,
Wagner.
if you want to come down, you can do that.
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank
Have
you.
it
I
all
appreciate you.
all paid by November the 27th.
It'll be paid
Yep.
before the 27th.
2 matters are dismissed. Good luck.
Good luck on it.
Thank you. Should I hang up?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. You're all set. Okay.
Well, my work is done.
Not
So
quite,
far.
sir. Gotta wait a little bit longer and see
Oh,
if
I'm-
anybody else, somebody
I'm-
else who just figured out how to work Zoom.
No problem. I can go to noon. If we had
Oh,
to.
we don't have to go that far, sir. We just have to go. Let's see, what's our latest morning person? Let me look at my docket. 8:30. Nope, we just have to go to 10.
Correct.
The last morning person is scheduled at 9. I give them an hour to get here from the time they're scheduled.
Okay. Fine on me, Judge.
Okay.
Not that it matters.
Crystal. Madam Clerk. The judge keeps muting me. I didn't know I was muted. I'm checking it now to see if it's the actual name.
Right, I need your first and last name. Yeah, I should have just hit waiting room, because if I do hit waiting room, you'll see it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next time I do waiting room, she says Carter.
Yeah, I checked Carter both ways with a T and a D, and there's nothing out there.
Yep, it's C-A-R, she has a C-A-R-D-E-R.
Yeah, I checked it that way, and then I checked it to see if maybe she, was a typo and it's supposed to be a T, but it's nothing
Oh.
either way.
Got it.
I said her first name is Carter.
I said the first name was Emma.
Well, she wouldn't be on our docket anyway if her name is Carter.
So she said, okay, wrong one, sorry.
Mm-hmm. That's what the person said last time, and then they came in with a duplicate name.
Right, okay.
Oh, really? That the one that we got bombed, they did that? They said that? Okay,
Mhm.
wrong one. I guess we can also say, yeah, call the court. So, that's your name. So what were you charged with? Like, no, you're just looking at a docket, something, so. It's so stupid that we have to go through this kind of stuff, but like,
Oh my goodness, now it's a David Harris? Are you serious?
they trying hard.